guys, so this is a basic tutorial on how to graph a circle from its center equation. Alright, so let's zoom in on the notes here. So graphing a circle from its standard equation. So basically, the equation you're going to get from a circle is going to be like this. So it's going to be, oh, and I forgot, it's going to be x plus something squared, or it could be x minus something squared, then y minus or plus something squared, and then a number that will generally be square rootable. So first off, what you want to do is, so don't really mind these squares because you can actually just cross them out once you start the equation, and you'll see why in a second. Or actually, I'll show you why right now, because to find the radius, you take the square root of this, which also means you need to take the square root of this side, so it cancels out the squares. And then you'll get a number that's just this, and it'll be the radius. So that's the distance from the dot at the center of your circle to the side of your circle. So, oops, gonna attempt to redraw that. Not too shabby. Okay, so obviously, so 2 would be like that. And then you want to find the reverse of this number here. You want to find the reverse of it, and and that'll be your x. And you want to find the reverse of this, and it'll be your y. The reverse of that. All right. So that's just a basic intro. Now let's get into some notes. I mean, not notes, practice problems. Okay. So I just have a quick way of doing it. So basically, just reverse this. Reverse that. Square root this. And then, okay. So now we see it'll go on -4, 2. So that's right here. And the radius will be 6. So it's already at 1. So we'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's your answer. All right, we'll do a few more. So reverse this. Reverse that. Find the square root of that, which is 9. So it'll be at 1, 1. And we need to increase the radius to 9, and it's already at 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right on the border there. All right, do 2 more. So reverse this to -2. Reverse this to -1. Make this the square root, which is 7. And now these are still part of the ordered pair. Made them too far apart. All right. So -2, -1, and we need to increase the radius to 7, and it's already at 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check. Alrighty, last question. Going pretty quick here. Feel free to slow down. I actually encourage you. It's great practice. Just slow down and pause the video and try to solve this. So hopefully you solved it. If not, here's how you do it. So the ordered pair will look like 3, and then -3, and then we'll find the square root of that, which is 6. So it'll go at 3, -3, and the diameter will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps you with your homework on graphing a circle from its standard equation. All right, bye.